Right, we are totally friggin' dead. Once again. Not a kick. Do I go for the old jump start? Old jump starting kit. And we'll go with the new jump starter. I think we'll give this a try. Plug her on. We'll give her a whirl. Give her a wee test out. Directly onto the battery. Set up there. Green light. Green light on. Give her a try. We got lights. Look at that. First turn, hey. Sweet. Not even warm. What a job. Well, this isn't a very big car, it's only a wee Yaris, but still. Take it to work with me into the hire shop maybe. Try to start a few plant machines with it. That'll be the next wee test for it. But yeah. Still fully charged as well. First wee test is looking good. Them clamps as well. Plenty of power in them. Plenty of hold, like. They're not light. Plenty of spring.